I think we should try to. I think I'm just start now. We're live now for this time. This it's been a while, so I tried to do OBS and then Streamlabs OBS, and I feel like Streamlabs OBS was better, so that's what I'll leave it here now. Alright, let me see if I can hear myself. I can't control the intro, unfortunately. It's not too bad, so this will be fine. Hey everyone, thank you for waiting for this live stream to start. I'm really thank you for your patience. And, I don't know, my tweet was weird. Anyways, I want to talk about things about organizing your lifestyle and stuff like that. Just things that I like to do. And a lot of people always talk about cleaning the rooms, and then which sounds so cliche, but it's not, because it actually does make you feel better when you do something in the beginning to start your day. And the cameras are here with a look here. Alright, so when you start your day, you have it's like a long period of time of you. For people who don't clean their rooms, they probably think about it. They should have cleaned it, or they would have had time to clean the rooms or something like that. And being organized is something that I really like to be, because it's something more. It's actually enjoyable to know that your room is how you present your room is clean. I understand that some people have probably have roommates or have people who live in your room or something like that, so that could be difficult, which is understandable. So there are different ways to be organized within yourself, and there's a lot of fun stuff to think about, because it's actually fun to put effort in being more presentable for yourself, not towards the other side of that, not towards the other side, and alongside that. Not sure how I would think about organizing yourself online. I don't know. When for example, for me being organized online for my channels, for example, I would, every single video I have a playlist, and each video has to be in one of those playlists in order for the channel to be organized. So you always will see your channels and videos easily, and which that you have a designated spot for every one of them. Also, so that's something that I really enjoy about that. Something about me back then, if I used to fold my socks. I try to stop, but I probably will do that again, because it actually was easier and more accessible for me to get my socks when I need them or anything like that. So I was just showing some random examples out there. Overall, it was a lot. Staying organized is actually satisfying, and it's satisfying to me because it's something I have been building a habit of. So it's really fun to really think about all these things with the mindset of being organized, cleaned up, and tying up your space in some ways. Not sure what else is there for me to say about this, but yeah. I do want to say that I was thinking about doing an update on my channels, but I figure out, I realize that it's better if I do it on my behind the scenes channel where I basically give my audience monthly updates. So that's something that I'll do. When I finish this live, it's not to be a long one, but it's a way for me to be more organized and for my channels, because it's, I don't want the channel has to, I want some content in that channel in some way. I figure that'll be the best thing to do for now at least, and have more updates about other projects I'm doing within the channel and everything. So just want to check that out. It's YouTube and Scarlet IX, and there's also fan house I'm involved in. Yeah. Also want to point out that I'm selling things as well on eBay. If you follow me at like Scarlet IX, you would see all the stuff I'm posting. I'm mostly selling Funko Pops and Legos. Yeah, just trying to wear some stuff and all these things. And some clothes, yeah, if you're interested. Overall. Yeah, not much going on with me right now, other than that. Well, yeah, I am watching going to that seat this week. So that'll be a lot of fun. And after that, do a review for that, which I'll do more detail on the channel. Or the video that I'm doing for the channel. When I sell things online, for example, clothes, I was able to, put handles that I don't need. Like basically, I always use a garbage bag to clean my room out, and I have a little trash can here as well, and just so to be more organized and stuff. Yeah. So hopefully, all of you enjoyed this little talk. I will come up with something better next time. Just that I just need to think about. It's really hard to think about topics on the spot. I just want to challenge myself with that. And what else is organized? Ways to be organized. You always see those videos of people like redoing their rooms or anything like that, and it's more organized. But yeah, they buy new things to make it organized. I don't think that's always the best way. I feel like when you find ways to, you have to make do with what you got, because it's something that is to help you in the long run. When you realize that you don't need to level up to level down, if that makes sense. Yeah, you just hopefully you understand what I'm saying, because it's something that I just been thinking about and moving things around. I always think about how my room would look like if I rearrange things, clean things up, and move things around. Even doing small, just cleaning up just a little bit is helpful and decent enough for me. And yeah, just hopefully all of you will see that in the same way. Whenever you guys clean up parts of your room or anything like that. I'm just using the room as an example. That's the main comfort spot. Basically, it's all about you, so mostly about you. That room, so yeah, just enjoy your room. Clean the room. Yeah. Hopefully you guys enjoy my video. I just gonna say goodbye for now. I promise next episode will be more fun and won't do any more of these testing things on the Streamlabs or anything like that. Alright. Have a wonderful week. I'll see all of you soon. I will be reacting to Superman and Lois and the Flash Night Live. This time I'm going to do it through I'm just gonna record